Hi traders, I'm often being asked how do I find my trades, and I think it's about time to show you. And this is really very, very simple. Like for example, I shorted today WCG. It was a great trade, just over here, 61.90, the breakdown, and look at that, almost $2 continuation, just on these 5-minute candles that you're seeing here, just in 20 minutes or so. And the second great trade I had today is NUGT, and I shorted NUGT at 44. What was it? 44.40, right over there. Look at this very nice trade as well. I mean, it moved all the way down to 42.34. We're talking $2 move here on a $40 stock. So both of them were great trades. And how did I find them? Very simple. Look at my Colmex top 20 screener. For example, you will see here the losers of the New York Stock Exchange, and of course I have the Nasdaq losers and gainers and so on. So this is often a screener I'm taking a look at the beginning of the trading day. So you will find both of them here. Like for example, if you take a look at WCG is on the list, just right click WCG and here it is. It's popping up right over there, and of course on the time and sell here and on the level 2 right over here, that's my stock box. And if I want to look for NUGT, it should be right over there, and here it is. So just right click NUGT and we come back to NUGT. So I'm just screening this list very simply and I'm finding it. This is not a big deal. And it's just over here. And of course, this is just one of my tools. Now, the second most important tool that I have is my trading room. Now, what you can see here is live session in the trading room. You can see myself right over here. I'm one of the analysts in the room, and there's Reem and there's Scott, and there's plenty of traders right here in the room. And you can see their chat going on right here, and a lot of them will be pointing out some stocks that I should be considering. Like Darren is putting up here KOG under, he wants to short it under 1198. And TJ is asking whether we should short WCG again under 61. These all can be very interesting trades. Like WCG was not my choice today. WCG was one of the traders, Nathan in the room, who pointed out WCG, and when I liked it, I pointed it over here. So this is the announcements. Whenever I'm pointing something, it goes here in the announcement. It pops up on your screens right over here, and there goes WCG for short under 61.90, for example, and plenty of other trades. Like we shorted WCG 3 times. You can see under 60.30 and 61.60, and they were all great trades. And here's NUGT that I mentioned earlier. So the room is a very important tool for me. It is a tool that letting me know all the different analysts and the different traders about their picks, and from there I'm choosing some of my picks as well. For example, as I mentioned, WCG. Now in the room you can see my charts as well. Like for example, you can see here NUGT. Now this is a very simple tool. I invite you all to join. There's a 14-day free trial, and then if you would like to join afterwards, it's $120 a month. And we do have an agreement with Colmex. If you're a Colmex member, if you have an account with Colmex, or if you are on our prop team, then you don't have to pay for the room. But anyway, it's a nice tool, and you can all join for a 14-day trial. You can all see my email on the channel's picture, and you can email me. So it's very simple to ask for this free trial. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next trade.